Hey guys, have you seen something that is dead before die again? Okay, have you seen something that is dead before like this die again? Okay, in today's video I will demonstrate to you what is actually happening to the Dead Sea. So without any further ado, let's go and show you. Okay guys, this demonstration will show you what is actually happening to the Dead Sea. Okay, so let's see. So companies, when they locate mineral resources in the Dead Sea, so when they come to extract the mineral resources, so they will use their tractors, excavators, and then they will push sand into the Dead Sea. When they push sand into the Dead Sea, okay, so that their tractors, their excavators can enter. Okay, so they will make the water to escape. You understand what I will show you? They will make it escape. Just look at. So when tractors are like here, when tractors are here, okay, when they are coming, just be watching. Okay, so when maybe if they want to extract here or here, look at, water is escaping. You see, it is escaping. That's why the Dead Sea is drying off. Are you seeing what I'm doing? So when they are here, maybe the natural resources is here, oil is here. Then when they enter, look at what is happening. So it is going. So plenty of companies are doing this. They are not one, they are not two. So they are doing it, and the Dead Sea continue drying day by day. So that is actually what is happening to the Dead Sea. And you guys see what I'm doing. So when they come, they don't want to remove the sand they put. They will not remove it. They will just take the thing and be harming what? Nature. So this is why we need to create awareness. The Dead Sea is dying. We need to help the Dead Sea. Nature helped us. So we need to also help nature. You see the scenario? Look at what is happening. See? You see? Water is escaping. And that's why the Dead Sea is drying. That's why the Dead Sea wants to die again. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Look at. These are companies. They are here now. When they go inside, you see, with their tractors and the excavators, their caterpillars, they are going inside, extracting mineral resources everywhere. And that's why the Dead Sea continues drying day by day. So, guys, we need to create awareness. We need to help the Dead Sea. Create awareness today. Tell the companies to irrigate the Dead Sea so that nature will come back to itself, to life. I've not seen anything dead before die again. So create this awareness today. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow for another video.